Hey there everyone, welcome back in Python Bootcamp video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Salim. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about string indexing and slicing. So first let's discuss about indexing. I'm going to remove my previous code from playground.py file, and here we'll take a string, my string, and here I'm going to pass this is my string. Let's save. Actually, we have to run about string slicing and indexing inside our Python environment. So I will run here Python 3, and first of all, same string I will store in the variable and using Python environment here. Let's run if I print. Our variable where we stored the value is giving us perfect. It will not work, sorry, my bad. Okay, clear is not defined here in Python. I don't know what is here. To clear the terminal, if I make it exit, and then we are able to make it clear. Python 3. Okay, again we have to um, store a value in a variable, mean the string value in our variable. First of all, we let's discuss about indexing. So what is indexing? Indexing, like here uh, indexing start from 0. If you want to index some character of a string, set indexing same like in our arrays, from starting 0, 1, 2, 3, and spacing. This space will be also count, like 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, and so on. So in indexing, let's say we want to print this h. So what we have to do here, I'll pass zero and one. That's giving me h. And if we need, if we want to print here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, it will giving us nothing because space. But it's giving us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, my bad. It's a 4. It's giving us a empty space. And if we coming from the end or the last, here it's starting from minus 1, not from 0, then 2, 3, -4, so on, and it will be this will be 1, not 0. Let's check here. -1, it's giving us G, this character. And if I run here minus, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, it gives us S character. So it's called indexing. Now let's discuss about slicing. Slicing, like I need from this I want to print out, or I want to take the first 3 characters, or here 4 characters from this string. So what I can do from here, or I want to skip um, these 3 or 4 characters, and we need to take or print or store whole string except the first 3 or 4 characters. So for that thing we have to pass here 0, 1, 2 and 3. Let's start from 3 colon, it means 3 up to end. 0, 1, 2 and 3 means from here. It will start from here up to end. One more thing, if we want to print only this first 3 characters, means DHI, what we have to do here, starting from beginning but up to 0, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Let's invite it like that. 4 is here, the empty space, and we pass 4 because we need from beginning to up to 4, and if I pass here 3, it will give us DHI. If we want to print here a specific like is my, so what we have to do here, let's try. We have to pass here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first 4, then up to where, 4 to then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 4 to up to 10. Okay, hit enter. Now you can see Isma is here, and if I pass here 5, now the space, empty space also will be removed. It's coming is my. If we want to take only the last 3 characters, it's these last 3 characters, what we have to do. Okay. I have to type here the 1, 2, 3 minus 3 up to end. That's it. It will give me ing. So it's called slicing. It's very easy and simple to understand, and hope so these examples will clear your concept about indexing and slicing. So that's for this tutorial. See you next one.